we're back at the chapel. This guy, she fires up and cuts out. We found that the unit is not, the fan is not coming on. So, we got this power off. This capacitor is a 7.5. We'll go ahead and check the capacitor. You can see 5.2. We'll go ahead and try to start it, and that's what happens. So I will go to my truck and see if I have a 7.5. Let me go check it. Yo, puto, let me get some, Holmes. Woohoo! It's 12, 15. I got a few here somewhere, you know. 15, 10. Alright, let me take the capacitor for this one. We're going to replace it. Now, this unit right here has the entire burn assembly is bad on this, so it's been 2 years. I still haven't done anything about it. Yeah. But however, you know, the guy wanted the fan at least to work on this one. And look what I find behind the unit there. This one also doesn't come on. There, it just hums. What a hack job. So I'm gonna get a capacitor for this one as well. This one's a 7.5 as well. We'll get this going. Let me get that one going first. At least I have the heat. This is the one that the heat works on. The other one doesn't work. Alright, you got it? Okay, now just put it back. Put that one, the other one first.
She didn't have screw.
There's only one side has a screw. It gets clipped. Okay.
Oh, I see what you mean.
Okay. There you go. I can't believe they just left that capacitor like that. It's ridiculous. Okay. You good? Alright. Alright, get that going. You got a screwdriver? Least, and then we'll get another capacitor for the other one. Oh, still doesn't come on. So that motor's shot. That motor's shot, bro. So guys, this motor is bad. We got the good capacitor, proper voltage, but she won't kick on. So I'm gonna go ahead and just replace it. Looks good. Nothing wrong with that. Can you get that out? Alright.
This shit's fucked.
Where?
I don't know. It's not even on.
We did one already, remember? Come on, Martin. You can do it. Yo, yeah, one more screw in here, bro. Yo, right there. Look, look. Look. 3/8.
Oh, I thought it was 2.
No. Come on, Papo. Alright. While we're at it, check the heat exchanger. We gotta replace this filter too. Filthy. Heat exchanger looks good, bro. I'm surprised. This unit's like 15 years old. Alright, we'll get this guy out. We'll go get a new motor. And now we'll put this baby in. Let's go, rookie. Might need to sand it down, but try it. Just pulled it out. Damn, rookies can't do nothing. twisted it with the adjustable. We got the new motor.
Wait, you need this on top?
Yeah, so put that back, because remember the one, this was bottom, wasn't it?
It goes...
that was bottom. Flip it, flip it.
Yeah.
Flip it. One more, come on. Trying to get the fuck it. Alright, just go ahead. Just put the fasteners on. Don't cross it. Okay. Just make sure that it's even. It's about there, right? Push it out a little bit, Martin. Okay, right there. No, you hit it a little bit towards me. From the, just tiny bit. This is okay. Wait. All right. Let's do the finger test. I feel like this side has more room than this side. Yeah. Yeah, pretty much there. Alright, I'm gonna tighten this up. Now you can use your ratchet service wrench. Tighten it up. Alright guys, we got the unit closed. Put the motor back in. New one. Working good. We had two motors bad in one day, that one and this one. That one we're not changing because it has a bad burner assembly. The entire assembly is bad. And these units are about 20 years old. 15, 20. Let me see. So that's what it is. She's working. Fired up. Yes, she did. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Take care.